Hey there, OFP Nation. It is Sunday, November 17th, 2024, and we are here for another weekly analysis. Barry, are you with me?
Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah, he is here. Hello to those of you who are with us right now. Feel free to say hello in the comments. Let us know who's with us. And for those of you watching the replay, hello to you. Let's see who we have here. Hola, Agostinho. How are you? We are going to go ahead, take a look at our watch list this week. I hope you guys are ready. And if you have any specific pairs you want us to look at, hello, Akeem from ATL, Georgia. Yes, keep your keep those pairs next to you so that if we don't go over any pairs you want to see, you can just let us know. We can go over that for you. Barry, are you ready? Hi, ZZ. Hello to you. Hello, Clarks from Uganda. Welcome. You ready, Barry?
Yeah, born ready.
Born ready. Okay.
All right. Welcome everyone to our weekly analysis, Sunday analysis rather. So let's first start with oil. Oil, we are literally going below these previous lows, the first low, second low. Now this is like third touch, actually the fourth touch. So we should be heading all the way down here, feeling this pin bar in the coming week. We entered around here and we pushed all the way down, consolidated for the bit, then continued to push down. So coming next week, I do see us going all the way to $65 per barrel on Texas oil. But this should be the same thing either on Brent oil, crude oil, you name it. We still have to feel this spin bar either way. Right, so let's go to the other pairs. Let's start with gold. So gold, we have it over here. We reached particular level of support, and we sort of have broken the trend line. Yeah, by a few knots here, not really a serious break, but overall, if we're definitely looking to go long, we need to wait for confirmation, which is the breach of the resistance here at 2620. After that breach, then probably we'll be looking to continue our ascent to the upside. And an area that actually looks to be ideal is all the way up here, because this is a pin bar right here. I think this is the only pin bar we have that's sensible at this current moment in time. So once we do break that trend line and resistance level, or rather we have broken the trend line, but once we just go above the resistance level, then we can see ourselves coming back all the way to 2700. So once we go above 2620, then we can see ourselves reaching 2700 if we do go above the resistance. So coming Monday, I still think we're going to probably hold here, maybe consolidate for a little bit, then push all the way up, probably touches resistance, then maybe end the week above to 620. That's what I'm anticipating with gold. Then the following week, then we might actually push all the way to 700 and end off the year from there. So let's now move to other pairs. NAS 100. NAS 100 literally surprised us here. It broke this trend line right here. And surprisingly, I'm still holding. But the level which I am definitely calling it quits is when we do come below here. This is going to be a huge loss. But I am still anticipating that maybe we might actually push all the way back up, then making you high. But let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. This is sometimes what happens when you take risk and you actually think it's going to go a certain direction, and you have like and negative 10 to 1. So yeah, this is what's actually happening here. So we're yet to see where this takes us. This has been a huge pullback. So we're yet to see what happens. But if you are looking for a shorting opportunity, this is your sign. You can actually enter here, and the entry would have been great here. Then aiming for this previous low over here, which is a pin bar area. Yeah, that's where the market seems to actually be reversing to. So if we do cross above here, as for me, then that will mean that I'll have to reverse this whole position and then start to aim for this level over here. But if you're already in a short, this can be a great opportunity to short it. If you had shorted it around here, your stop loss would have gone just right above there. Then you would have been aiming for this level here. This would have been a great shorting opportunity. But as of now, I have messed up completely here on NAS 100. I just need to fix it, make sure we get back to break even, then probably close off from there. All right, so let's look at dollar yen. Dollar yen, we continue to push to the upside. Then Friday came and we pulled back. And well, it seems like this is just temporary pullbacks and we might actually be going all the way up. And that actually did create a stoppage on pound yen. We had an entry here. We pushed all the way up, then the market consolidated, then pushed all the way down and stopped us out. So for now, we're still looking for another opportunity, probably to re-enter. But for now, we do nothing on pound yen. Then let's look at dollar Mexican. Dollar Mexican, I saw an opportunity to short it to continue this downward move because I'm still believing that dollar Mexican still has a job to finish, which is to come all the way down here. So that's what I'm anticipating. So sold a little bit more up here. And yeah, when it comes all the way down here, we might continue this move and actually be in profit again. And then continue all the way down to 1874 on dollar Mexican. Right. So also CAD Swiss has been pushing up nicely. It seems like we just touched the consolidation top and we're bouncing off of it, but hopefully this is just a temporary pullback. Then we continue to the upside and then actually finally take ourselves out in a profit all the way up there. Right. Then also Ethereum. Ethereum, there was a short-term opportunity, like I mentioned. It pulled all the way back up, and we see ourselves right here. So coming week, I do see us probably coming all the way down and probably continue the downward move to reach this area right here where our target is. So that's what I'm seeing on Ethereum. Right. Okay, so we have covered dollar Mexican, euro or dollar yen, CAD Swiss. We actually left with euro dollar. Euro dollar, we actually reached our target, which is great. We reached our target. So for now, we may be looking for some long opportunities, but I still feel there is continued strength with the dollar. So we'll be also looking at the dollar index really, really soon. So let's look at US 30. Let's see where we are with US 30 because we're looking for some shorting opportunities on US 30. And yes, we did get them. So right now, we actually went below here. So this would have been a great shorting opportunity. And you know where we're going? We're going all the way down here. This is an ideal level that I say we can come all the way to, which is around 40,000 on US 30. Apart from that, I don't think we might go all the way down here to the 39,500 level, but it is also possible. But I see this one to be the greatest and the biggest pin bar as compared to this one and this one. So that's why I say we're coming all the way down here to 40,000 on US 30. Because right now the opportunity has set up for itself and this can be a great shorting opportunity in this coming week. Right, so let's see, pound dollar. Pound dollar doesn't seem like there's any recovery, but with this really strong slope to the downside, I honestly don't think this will continue strongly to the downside. I believe this could even be the bottom on pound dollar at 1.26. So we might actually be seeing ourselves breaching all the way up here. Then if we do get a breach of also the resistance, then we can see ourselves coming all the way to this top where this trend line starts from, or we can even go all the way back to 134. But to be conservative, I think we're just going to go back to 130 before probably the year ends. So once we have a break of this trend line, then you can be looking for some long opportunities all the way up to 130 on pound dollar. Then let's also look on Euro New Zealand. Euro New Zealand. So Euro New Zealand actually is at the level of resistance, but we're yet to see what happens here. Right now, probably putting some buy stops right above here would be ideal. Then when the market does push all the way up, we do enter and then put probably our stop loss overweight here. And you know where we're aiming for? We're aiming to just go all the way to the top here. So that's where our target is. It seems to be long term, but you know, these markets, they can literally surprise you and go to the target in a matter of days and not even a month. So that's what I'm actually anticipating on Euro New Zealand. So let's actually switch now and look at the dollar index and Bitcoin. So let's go. Let's just give it a moment there. All right, so dollar index. Dollar index is still very strong, though we seem to be breaking this trend line, which can signify a reason for us to be going long on euro dollar. But in order for us to actually take this breach seriously, we need to go right below this support level. Nothing much I would say can happen at this point. We just need to watch it come all the way down to the support level. Once we go below the support level, then we can be seeing ourselves probably coming to this area of consolidation that I have really talked about quite a number of times, and especially since there is a gap over here. So this is a reason why you need to actually be looking for longs on pound dollar and euro dollar in this coming week. So once we do breach this support level, then you also need to look at the resistance levels on pound dollar and euro dollar. Then from there, continue with the push. Once we do cross this gap and actually fill it, then maybe you can also take your profits around this area. But an ideal area that I have talked about is at 102,500, where there was a consolidation. So that's what I'm actually anticipating on dollar index. So last but not least, let's actually look at Bitcoin. Where does Bitcoin see itself going? So we had the breach of the trend line, which we already had here. So in order for us to actually be short on Bitcoin, we would have to be right below 86,000, actually 85,000. So once this support level is broken, then maybe we can be looking for a proper shorting opportunity going all the way down, probably to these levels of 62,000 or 60,000. So that's what I'm seeing on Bitcoin. Anyways, this basically marks the end of our analysis. We have covered the majority of the pairs. Any other pairs you'd like us to look at while we still have time? Because this one was rather a quick analysis than usual. Hello, Ria. Are you there?
Of course.
All right. So Akeem
Right
says
here.
we have a look at silver.
He
So
did
that's,
want us to look at silver.
yeah, that's SAG USD. All right. So this is almost the same scenario with almost said Bitcoin, gold, same scenario with gold. We have this trend line. We have broken it, and the only reason would actually look too long is a break of resistance. So that's what we're actually saying. So on silver, we have broken the trend line, but this is not a reason to enter immediately until we break this resistance. That's when we might actually be looking for some longing opportunities and putting our stop loss all the way below here. And then probably this would be a nice level to aim at because this is where the pin bar is. It was trying to get filled, but it didn't get filled. So this can be a nice area around 32, rather $33 per ounce on silver. So yeah, that could be an ideal target once this resistance level is broken. Right. Great. It's not secure. I think that Ethereum has the same movement as Bitcoin. One thing I can say, Augustino, is that if other altcoins and everything like that seem to be doing their own thing, but the fact that Bitcoin is making all-time highs and everything like that, they are following suit one way or another. They're trying to follow suit, but Ethereum hasn't even made its all-time high. That's the funny thing. Some coins have, some haven't, but way back, if we take a look at the charts, when Bitcoin make all-time highs, also other altcoins will make all-time highs. But now the story has flipped the script, everything like that. I'm sure this is because of Bitcoin ETFs that were issued. So that's probably why not everything is moving in the same direction. Yeah. All right. Goth says we look at New Zealand CAD. Right. New Zealand CAD. Okay. We seem to have been going for a downward trend over here. But it seems this downward trend has come to an end, probably. But the only way we can prove that this downward trend has come to an end, yeah, is by drawing a trend line. So this trend line, it's rather been, yeah. Okay, so the trend line was broken, but a resistance level, it's almost the same like gold and a lot of other pairs that we've been looking at. Like we're just waiting for resistance levels and support levels to be broken. So same with New Zealand CAD, we're waiting for this level to be broken. Then this can be a first target all the way up here. Since it's a pin bar, then this can be a second target, and this can be a third target. But which one has the biggest wick apart from both of three of these? So this one has a longer wick. Also, this has a longer wick. So this can be an ideal first target. Then here can be a second target. Yeah, that's what I'm actually seeing on New Zealand CAD. So to be conservative, conservatives may be looking to target this pin bar. Then if you're really being really optimistic, then this pin bar over here could be where you're looking to put your money at as a take profit. But then we also have this pin bar over here that did not get filled fully. So this looks like an area the market will be looking to finish the job. So looking at what's going on right here, right now on New Zealand CAD, I would say this would be the most sweet spot level to actually aim for. That is 0.84350. This seems like an area that the market really does want to tackle at this point. So that's what you can actually be aiming for. So this level right here, That is a level the market really wants to reach. That's all I can say. So this is one thing you can be looking for this coming week. So just keep your eyes peeled for this. This is the level the market really wants to reach at. So once we do get a breach of this resistance, I'll actually put this on the watch list because this really looks like a very interesting trade on NZD CAD. So once this resistance level is broken, then we can see ourselves coming all the way up here. So that's what my anticipation on New Zealand CAD. Right. I believe we have covered everything. You can come up from hiding now, Ria.
Hola.
Yeah. Any promos for us this week?
We do have a promo going on right now, but it's not a discount type of a promo. It's going on to the 20th, where anybody who purchases an account between now and the 20th have a chance to get up to an extra $500 paid out to them when they get their payout. So, yeah.
All right.
Take advantage
Awesome.
of that. If you are ready to get another account and you want to get some extra money at your payout, that's what we're doing for accounts right now.
Okay. Okay. Awesome. Sounds very good.
Double your profits.
Mm-hmm.
All
All right.
right.
Everyone, thank you for joining us this week on our weekly analysis. We do appreciate it. And yeah, join us on Wednesday. Yeah, though Ria won't be there. It will be
This Wednesday?
me.
I'll be there this Wednesday, Barry. It's not
Or you'll
this
be.
it's not this Wednesday, but it's Wednesday the hold on guys. I need my calendar because so it would be Wednesday the 27th and then Wednesday the 4th. So actually be 2 Wednesdays.
Okay.
2 Wednesdays. I won't be here, y'all. I'll be somewhere in New York City with my family.
All right. Okay. Awesome. Right. So yeah, we'll see you on Wednesday. Great to actually know that you're still around. I'm glad. I'm glad. Yeah.
Yes.
I thought I'll be all alone.
No,
Oh,
I'm here.
all
I
right.
won't
All
leave
right.
you all by yourself, Barry.
I almost started singing a song right now.
All by
Yes.
myself.
All right. Let's not go off the
Oh, come
rails
on.
right
They
now.
want the entertainment. They need it. I'm just kidding. We're just kidding, guys.
Yeah. All right. See everybody on Wednesday. Enjoy your weekend. Trade safe.
Trade safe, everyone. See you guys on Wednesday.